For one, generator stops working. So I just tried to diagnose it, and the diagnosis came back that it's fucking broken. So now we need a generator. 2, the golf cart's not charging, so we can't go get that. So now we're gonna have to walk around everywhere. Unless anybody knows of a golf cart for sale in Houston, we can go pick it up for a good deal. We'll go get it. And on the bright side, man, Randy's car is fucking good to go. You know, we're ready to go, ready to have fun. Should go fast, feels good, feels comfortable. Unfortunately, George's transmission is just acting up on the part throttle stuff, and we don't want to risk breaking it. So we'll see how that goes. What's that? But anyways, yep, about to load up the Randy's car. Everything else is loaded up, and we're moving forward. Let's see. Let's go.
Drag racing at Texas 2K, then make sure you don't have bias ply tires. You ain't racing. And if you're teched in already with them, I'm telling, these fools ain't worried about cages, but worried about a bias ply tire. I said, good stuff. I said, by the way, this is the exact same way it sat when we raced in Texas 2K22 and 21.
How'd they even notice yours?
I don't fucking know. A girl noticed mine, bro. And she fucking went and called some guy, I'll hit a guy. He's like, oh, I can't. He's like, if I take you in right now, you're gonna be disqualified first round. And I'm like, okay, fine, fucking take me in. And then he's like, well, if that's the case, then I have to tell the tower, and it's probably not a good idea. I'm like, well, then what the fuck's the problem? Like, dude, like, you gotta be kidding me. The car set this way last year. He's like, oh, well, I don't know. I'm like, okay, so what about all the other cars that you've teched in with the tire? He's like, well, I didn't do it. He's like, oh, blah, blah, blah. I'm like,
what size do we need?
17, 4.5. Like, okay, I get it for road racing, probably not, but this is a drag racing tire.
Yeah, how are they good for Maryland, but they're not good
That's
here?
what I said. I'm like, dude, the cars ran at fucking Texas 2K the same way, at World Cup, the same way it sits in the Texas 2K 2 years in a row.
Mine were legal. I was gonna just go fucking put mine on and go check in.
Yeah, they're not. So now, if anybody pretty much if whoever we're racing has a fucking non-DOT tire,
yeah,
you could pretty much just say, oh, hey, boy.
Well, I'm gonna find us some right now.
Got out here, and everything was good, right? Besides the fact that I forgot a few things, but my guys were at work at the shop, so they brought that. Then I go to tech in. Well, Brian goes tech in. I ended up getting the car washed. Brian goes tech in. He texts in, no problem. He's like, man, they didn't even check anything. I'm like, oh, badass. All right, I'm not gonna worry about it. So go up there with no care in the world, because I know everything that I got on the car is actually legal and legit. And they go up there and they say that I can't run the front tire. I'm like, dude, same front tire we've ran for the past 3 Texas 2Ks. I get it. I probably just skimmed over the rules, but at the same time, like, we ran it before, so I wasn't worried about it. And yeah, sure enough. So now I'm fucking $800 in. I gotta buy new front tires, and in hopes that we can get them done and put on like by tomorrow early in the morning, because there's qualifying tomorrow. So he's like, oh, you could just not run qualifying. What do you mean? Like, we're drag racing, you know? We're not gonna skip a qualifier. Are you kidding me? So anyways, I got upset. I don't ever get upset. All these people can freaking attest to that. I don't ever get upset, but I got upset, and I really laid into his ass. I'm like, dude, so you're gonna tell me you can let all these other cars go 200 plus mile an hour with no cage, and you're gonna bitch at me because I got a bias ply tire? So anyways, like my boy Brian just said, we're gonna, hey Brian, what'd you say? What's up, buddy? We're gonna adapt and what?
We're gonna adapt and overcome.
That's what we're gonna do. So we're gonna do what Brian said. We're gonna adapt and overcome, all right? So, but you know what? I'm gonna go on a rant, all right? You know what? Anytime there's setbacks like that, bro, we have a good outing. So that to me is telling me something, right? that's telling me we're gonna fucking put in work. So these motherfuckers better make sure they got the right tires. If they beat us, I'm complaining about them fucking front tires, goddammit. They gotta buy fucking $800 tires too. But anyways, man, it's all good. Texas 2K day 1. We're good, we're set up, we're having a good time drinking some beer, about to put the music back on. I didn't want to get copyrighted, so let you guys hear the shit that I be listening to. But anyways, yeah, here we are. Let's go, let's get it. Let's go to day 2, let's go Q1. Q1, I'm gonna say it right now. Q1, we're gonna go 728, 748. Q1. This one's got the tune-up in it. This thing, I'm just gonna Hail Mary that motherfucker and pray to God it's gonna stick. So go from there. All right, stay tuned. Let's go.
Yeah.
Hopefully you guys are ready for anything.
Yeah. So they're gonna go this lane.
This will be the last lane. Well, there are many cars on here. Look, it's 70% chance. I mean, it's gonna be.
There's a chance someone's getting wet today.
Folks is starting to come down a little more good. Be trying to cover the Christmas tree to protect the electronics, part of the timing and scoring computer here at Decent Raceway. So again, we're just waiting it out. Once we start, we get everything going, ready to go, we will get back after it.
Well, Texas 2K, typical shit. We'll probably get 2 rounds of qualifying, if that, and hopefully all goes well. We have yet to make a pass in that car. I have confidence.
I said we're running these cars today.
Want to go on a little spiel about the day?
Yes, we haven't done shit. They called us up and then it rained. Don't judge, because I've had a few of these, right? But we turned it all the way down. Mark my words, if this fucking car goes turned all the way down, if it goes 780s or faster, y'all are in for some trouble, okay? Just remember that, all right? And we're in the fast lane too. Brian's car is probably gonna go down. I don't give a fuck what setting they go with, but it's gonna go down. And this thing, Randy is a little skeptical because, I mean, I get it. Last time he raced, it was last year. And he's like, man, it's rain. I just don't feel it. And I get it. I said, do you want to race? He said, no, I don't feel comfortable racing. Okay, well, we won't race. But look where he's at. He still pulled that bitch up, so I know what he means. I know what he wants to do. I know what he wants to do. Let's go. You don't need no tape, Randall. You don't need that tape where we're going. Yeah, Randy. Putting that tune-up in it.
Do whatever you guys do.
You know what? You know, you put it on setting 1. I flipped it. That's setting 5 now. Yeah.
I was calling them right now to see it, but
On 10? First setting.
This thing is light. This don't feel like no box body.
And Peter, I would love to see
I thought we were.
heavyweights and
Here, put this on.
available suite 207 here in the tower.
I want to see how the guy ran. That's all.
Anthony Martinez.
Here, put that on.
Man, oh man, this is going to be a good one.
hauling ass.
I got you, Daddy.
Where's the helmet?
Get in there. Oh shit. Ugh. It's another day in paradise, Daddy.
This is the first time.
We put the rain tires on this sumbitch.
Don't worry, I turned it for free, dumb shit. I'm the fucking proof people.
Little does he know. They're all set
the
to
same,
50.
Randall. They're all gonna go 720s.
Not in this fucking rain, it's not. This fucking sucks. We get all the way up to here now, and then this.
God damn it. You should have hurried
Yeah,
up
you
and
should have
run.
been bitching and complaining the whole time.
Yeah, we would have been up here first.
Yeah.
Dummy. Hey, should we just leave him here and just come back in the morning?
I would.
Well,
He said he goes
not a
down.
bad idea.
Tell you what? What they get? How many cars did they get in? 5? Clown show. Fucking clown show out here.
Hey,
I
you would
told
have
you.
hurried up, Randall, instead of sitting there being so skeptical.
That son of a bitch
you
was
would have
first.
fucking,
Hey,
we would have been loading up
Come on,
already.
keep the son of a bitch up. I got to show you something, Angel. I'm gonna make you happy. You think you're Mexican? You think you're Mexican, Angel?
Hey, oh, yeah. Show him, Randall. Show him. Look at that.
shit.
Look at that. Look at that.
oh yeah. Look at the back.
He got it from, hey, he got it at the Michoacana.
Yeah.
My guys gave it to me for Christmas.
Hey, Nate, you
Badass
get that?
shit. That's some badass shit right there.
Look at that belt.
Look at that belt. Put the pants around.
Hey, the last time I had one of those, I was like 10.
Yeah.
Bought it at the flea market.
Okay, yawn.
I seen your ankle go.
Rebound.
No, but there's no one up there. It's 100. Come on in.